Children's Museum invite you to the annual benefit sale of American Girl Seconds and Returns, with all the proceeds benefiting children right here in Dane County. And the sale is coming up this weekend, July 19th and 20th, Saturday and Sunday, at the Warehouse, 8830 North Greenview in Middleton.